Hey, welcome back to the Flint Our Life channel, where we're exploring the world on foot and unlocking more freedom for ourselves in the process. Today we're going to take a walk through El Retiro Park here in Madrid, one of the most beautiful spots in all the city. Come take a walk with us. We're actually here in this exact same spot. Exactly about 2 years ago, it was our first time in Europe together. We stopped through in Madrid, had 12 hours, and this is where we kicked off our exploration of the city. I don't think we slept that day. Tried to see as much as we could. La Rosaleda. This is the rose garden. Beautiful, beautiful spot here. Actually, let's go see the fountain. Pegasus. I think that's Pegasus, right? Got his animal legs. She said it's a romantic place. Feels like a
Very romantic.
romantic. Yeah, I wonder if they actually have weddings here. This would be the perfect spot. I don't remember there being so many roses last time, maybe the time of year that we were here. There are also more people, more tourists this time around, and I don't blame them. This is a perfect spot to come hang out, get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. At the same fountain? Oh no, this is Cupid. Huh. The other one is Pegasus. This one is Cupid. I see groups there doing exercise. Oh, awesome. I think I see... Okay, there's a statue down there. I think I see more people playing sports stuff in the distance there, but we're gonna make our way slowly up this way. If I remember correctly, we head more to the north and we're eventually gonna make it to the lake. Here's a map of the whole park. This place is gigantic. You could spend a whole day here just wandering around, taking it all in. Got a choice of paths here. Which route do we take? Which route do we take? Scenic route. Yeah, that's calling my name too. Let's go cross the river. I think last time we saw some type of animal here. Maybe. I don't remember, but peaceful escape. Yeah, if I lived in this city, which I would love to one day, this is where I'd spend a lot of time. It's the Crystal Palace. Remember last time we went inside, there was a lineup. We went inside, there was like an art exhibition. Let's go see if we can go inside again. But I believe it's temporarily closed. Let's see. But yeah, this is a beautiful spot. There's a pond here with a big fountain. It's a lot busier here than it was back there before.
Ven.
Great movie. So yeah, unfortunately it is closed at the moment, but you can still see the building from the outside. Perhaps even it's a better perspective from the outside. Hans Zimmer, one of the best. Every movie soundtrack he does is a hit. Great music for working too. When you're sitting and working, you want to concentrate. Ooh, put on any Hans Zimmer soundtrack. You're in the zone. One last look here at the Crystal Palace. You can see why it has that name. Beautiful. Now we're gonna make our way north and we're gonna go see the lake. Now we're coming up my favorite spot in this whole park. I think it's called El Retiro Lake. Just like the park. El Retiro. Not like this. I've never ridden a scooter like this. A Vespa. Do you want one? It just looks so funny. Yeah, at least you get exercise on that one. I don't know, this looks so funny to me. Especially more chatty. But wow. Check out this place. So much to do, so much beauty, all in one place. Trees, we've got statues, we've got activities, we've got places to chill out, and we've got rowboats. We didn't go in a boat last time, did we? No nos fuimos en un bote.
Ah, no. Sorry.
Por la prisa. Yeah, we had a layover and I kind of wanted to sleep, but she's like, no, let's take advantage. We're gonna use all our time. We're gonna see the whole city. And I was on board with that.
Era verano. Oh, wow.
Got a big carp. Here, he might come right up to us.
Ah, míralos aquí.
There it is.
Grandes. Delicious.
So here you can see there are little cafes, terraces, and restaurants all along here. Lots of good spots set up. Let's make our way over there. I don't know, we can think about whether we're gonna go in a boat today or not. Today's a beautiful day, beautiful spring day. It's like maybe 16, 17 degrees right now. When the sun is out, it is perfect. When the sun's behind the clouds, it's a little bit chilly, but hey, we'll take it. We will take it.
Verano.
Ah, okay. No, I can't remember for some reason.
I remember.
The weather, like clima. Ah, okay. I couldn't remember what exactly when we were here, but it was like 2 years ago. Right before we went to Portugal.
It is quite scary. Quite like sitting in the sun for a bit.
We did 1 month in Lisbon, 1 month in Paris, and then we did some time in Amsterdam. And then we got called back to Latin America for some business. If the sun is out like this, the chances that we go in a boat, I think, are going up. Now, the parks in Europe are unparalleled, and Madrid is no exception. There are so many beautiful parks in the city. But this one is definitely my favorite. Yeah, there's actually a botanical garden. We're gonna go check that out after the other side, but this park feels like a botanical garden. You see all the different types of trees, animals. Yeah, I love. Back at the Crystal Palace, there were black swans, ducks, these other types of birds, turtles, Cisne, swan. Yeah, black swan. Here, statues, lions. Yeah, this whole park is like a work of art. Passing overhead.
Este parque me encanta.
So beautiful. Yeah, I could spend all day here. Set up a picnic, sit on a bench. Oh, you can drive through here as well.
Não quer botar a mão lá no leão?
Right in the center of it all. This big statue here. That's why I was thinking, was it colder last time? Because today, yeah, feels like there are so many more people than last time, but maybe it's just the way I remembered it.
Okay, we need a plan. That was our tour of Parque El Retiro. Gracias por caminar con nosotros.